Journal Science Universe. Who discovered the solar system? Copernicus. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus. The scientists have found some proofs of the presence of water on which of the following planets? Mars. Mercury is the smallest planet, the first planet, the planet nearest to sun. All of these. इसमें से क्या होगा या मुझे कमेंट में बताएं. Which of the following planets has the smallest diameter? Mercury. Which is the biggest, brightest star in the night sky? Sirius. Which is the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon. Bodies which usually fall from the sky on the Earth are called meteors. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between the sun and earth. जब सन और अर्थ के बीच में मून आ जाता है तो जिसे हम सूर्य ग्रहण कहते हैं वो होता है. लूनार इक्लिप्स इज द कास्ट व्हेन द अर्थ कम्स बिटवीन द सन एंड मून. जब ज़मीन से सूरज के और मून के यानी चाँद के बीच में आ जाती है तो होता है चाँद ग्रहण. द राइजिंग ऑफ द इवनिंग स्टार इंडिकेट्स द वेस्ट. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. Which of the following planets is dropped from the list of planets in 2006? प्लूटो जो है वो अपने जो प्लेनेट्स के जो दायरे में था वो वहाँ से निकल गया था 2006 में. लूनार इक्लिप्स occurs only on a full moon day. Which planet takes the largest time to go once around the sun? Neptune. Who was the first woman to travel into space? Valentin Tereshkova. Who was the first tourist space? Denis Tito, Brazil. There is a well-developed system of rings around it. This statement is about Saturn. Which planet is known as the evening star? Venus. How many days does the moon takes to return the same positions among the constellations? 28 days. How many layers are present in the atmosphere of the sun? 3. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. Which of the following planets has the maximum number of satellites? Jupiter. Name 2 planets lying between the sun and earth. Mercury and Venus. The first ever artificial satellite was launched by Russia. The visible part of the sun is called photosphere. Name of the first astronaut to set foot on moon. Neil Armstrong. NASA is an space agency of USA. Russia launched its space stations into space in 1986, which was Mir. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to the rotation of Earth on its x-axis. How many planets are present in our galaxy? 8. The planet which revolves very slowly around the sun is Neptune. Which planet is known as the Earth near twin planet? Venus. Hubble is launched in 1990 space telescope. Which is the US space shuttle? Columbia and Discovery both. Who was the first person in space? Yuri Gagarin. Who was the first Muslim also in space? Sultan Salman Al Saud. The first ever artificial satellite was launched by Russia. When did the space age begin? With the launch of Russia Sputnik, October 9, 1957. Name the first animal to be sent in space. Laika. Name the first artificial satellite. Sputnik I of the former Soviet Union. Which planet contains largest quantity of carbon dioxide with 95%? Venus. How many satellites moons of the Saturn planet? 56. The comet named after Edmund Halley appears after a time of every 76 years. The group of small pieces of the rock revolving around the sun between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. Blue dwarfs refers to young stars which are rate against old stars. Which of the following US space shuttles? Opportunity, Columbia, Challenger, all of these. इसमें से कौन सा होगा कमेंट में बताएं, ठीक है। The heaviest mass revolving around the sun is Jupiter. Planet which has longest day is Venus. What is the rank of the Earth is the solar system in terms of size? Fifth, the Earth revolves around the sun at the speed of 29 km per second. A light year is equal to 9.50 million kilometers. The planet which has shortest year in Mercury. The planet which has the longest year is Neptune.